Hi everyone, here we've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter apps and now let's tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll and find the system option, and as you can see on the second position we've got date and time, so let's enter. Now we can decide if we want to use the automatic date, time and time zone just like now. If you want to set it manually, just tap on those switchers to turn off the automatic options, and as you can see date, time and time zone are active, so now we can freely tap on it and by swiping we can choose the date we want to use. Let's tap on OK to confirm. The same situation with the time, just by swiping choose the one you want to set. Let's tap on OK. As you can see it immediately appears on the status bar. What's more, we can change the time zone, just tap here, and as you can see here we've got the full list of available time zones, so simply find the one you want to use and tap on it. As you can see it is immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to the chosen time zone. What's more, we can use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. Now we are using 12-hour format, but if you want to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher to turn on the option, and as you can see it is also immediately applied. If you want to get back to all previous settings, just tap here to use 12-hour format, tap on those switchers to use automatic time zone and automatic date and time. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your KYOCERA Torque G03. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.